YouTube, what's up? It's your boy C-Tom, hair guy, back again. So we reached the 2 week mark with the hair. I'm gonna be taking it out this weekend. I'm gonna be twisting it up and then trimming it. What I might do is just take it out. I'm gonna take a few pictures or do a few videos, and then I'll just record it before the trim. I know last video I said I was gonna trim it, didn't show y'all, but it'll be in twist because I'm trying to keep it in twist until my next braid session. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. I'll take pictures. I'll do some videos. We'll do the length check. I won't have my ruler because I'll be down at my girl's house, so I ain't bringing a ruler. And yeah, and then y'all get to see the length of the hair after 2 months from the last length check. But here it is right here, the hang time before the trim. I see my ends are nasty, so yeah, it's time to trim this bad boy. But I'll holla at y'all tomorrow. Look out for the pictures. Look out for the length check video. Yeah, man. I'm out. Peace.